Hello. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to impress your friends with meat sauce. Start by preparing your mirepoix. Hit it with the Ninja. Set your stove to low-medium heat, add some extra virgin olive oil, and add the mirepoix. Go ahead and season with salt and black pepper. And definitely don't forget your hot seeds. Add some Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and dried oregano. Cook the mirepoix until it's soft. Then add your ground beef. In a saucepan, on low heat, add some extra virgin olive oil. Add your seasonings, hot seeds, sea salt, black pepper, basil, and Italian seasoning. Add your garlic, continuously stirring until it is fragrant. Add 2 cans of peeled San Marzano tomatoes. Add a bay leaf and some chervil. I removed the bay leaf because I realized I was going to use the immersion blender. Slap the bay leaf back in there. Once the ground beef is cooked, drain off the oil. Add the meat back to the pan and continue to brown it. Look at all that caramelized flavor. Deglaze the pan with some dry red wine. Be sure to scrape the bottom because that's where your flavor's at. Once the alcohol is cooked off, add the meat into the sauce. Continue to cook it at a low temperature until it is thickened. Choose your favorite pasta to cook that you enjoy. Add the amount of sauce that you desire. Give it a stir. That looks good. Most importantly, don't skimp on the Parmigiano Reggiano. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.